Hi everyone! This week you are going to be creating a video, an introductory video for your About Your Instructor page in your course. And this is going to be brief, but it's going to really show you the value of humanizing your course as you go along. And creating brief videos is a wonderful way to do that, to let students see your face and hear your voice. We're going to be talking a lot about instructor presence and community this week, and you have to think that we are asking students to build a community within themselves, and of course we want to be part of that community. So this comes through in different ways, the ways we might participate by talking to them on discussion boards, by the feedback we give them in grades, but by using videos and also inserting ourselves into the classroom. In that human way. We are human beings and we are here. This is the face behind the course. So often students don't get to see that, and I think it really makes them feel good that the instructor is involved, and it makes them view you as a real person that they can reach out to and communicate with, and this really contributes to student success. So you will be using a tool such as Screencast-O-Matic and uploading that to YouTube. And this might be a new process to you, but once you have these skills mastered, this is really going to give you an important tool for your online classroom and for student success. So let us know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.